morning. Actually, it's noon, so it's not morning. Okay. Yeah. Day 3. Vlogmas. Haven't had enough coffee. Starbucks cup of the day. I'm sorry. That's hysterical. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So it's straight up noon. Just taking my lunch break. Penny was our cat. So I guess I'm just delirious. I'm not having the best day. I'm like doing the uber casual, which I shouldn't be doing. I have no camera meeting today. So I'm like casual sweatshirt day. It's the best day. Yeah. But tomorrow's an in-office day, so I have to dress up really, professional. So anywho, yeah, so day 3. How are you holding up? You're all just like, yeah, so that is what's going on so far today. Today, in a minute here, I'm going to go grab, I'm going to show you the unnecessary or necessary spending of the week. Actually, hold please. Okay, I'm back. So the other item, it's in a box, so I will get that and talk about it over there. But this I saw on Black Friday, and it just got here. And I thought it was perfect for, I wanted a tagless shirt, but I think what they're doing now, these vendors, is they do this print on demand service. This looks, I've gotten something else that has this same tag. So what they do is they just upload the image, and then the service is printing it via Amazon, so you don't get a nice quality shirt. Ring spun fan favorite. Anyway, because it's Vlogmas, I got these. So you'll see me sporting this at some point during the festivities, but that was what I got myself this week from Amazon. And then my sales associate from Chicago, Chanel Beauty, texted me. I guess, I don't know if they're having bad weather or slow or whatever, but I guess they're bored. Like, hi, we still some holiday sets. Do you need anything? I'm like, actually I do. So we're going back and forth on what was available, what they still had in stock, and they're very limited, but they had a couple of things. So going back and forth between what I may want maybe to gift or gift myself. And I am gifting myself one thing, so that's on its way, which is totally, I shouldn't be buying this for myself, but I'm in that treat myself kind of mood, so that's going to go under the tree when it arrives, whenever that is. I think it's going to take probably a week or so to get here, but so really excited that I have now contact for a couple of boutiques, even though they're not local, a way to get items. So going to have that come in. Let's see, anything else I spent this week? I think that's it, other than the item that technically arrived yesterday, but it was spent last week. So show you those in a second. Those, them, this, that, the item, and yeah, that's gonna be it pretty much for today. So today's gonna be a pretty short one. Again, working all day. Tomorrow I have an in-office day, so it's gonna be probably a short video, or it's Thursday. I think my plan was to do like tree decorations on Thursday, so you'll probably see my tree decorations. So I already have that. We did that over the weekend, so we pre-filmed decorating the tree. So I'll show you how the tree looks close up, and then whatever else comes up in the morning as I'm getting ready. I leave really early when I have to go in the office because, again, I mentioned this 400 times, 7 to 5. So it means I have to leave the house really, really early. So tomorrow you're going to see me in the dark. If you think this is dark, in the real dark. But I'll probably have makeup on and look like a human. Amazing. And we'll have the Neverfull packed up. Gotta take a whole bunch of stuff with me to work. We're doing cookie decorating as a team building exercise, and then we're having like a potluck. Yeah, just, you know, kind of our, I guess, Christmas party for the year, because we come in as a team for a team day once a month, and then we'll have an all staff next week for the, I guess, department. That's that event, and then so on. So we kind of have random days that we come in. This is the team building and team collaboration day that we're doing on site. So anywho, I will go show you the item I bought, and that probably be it. I'll see you then after that. I'll see you at Advent calendar time. So okay, so I brought over the box and started I started the initial opening of it to make it a little less cumbersome. What's going on with my hair? It didn't look that messed up a little while ago. So a little backstory on this item. I purchased a similar item last year. It was one of my really bargain basement finds from the Real, and had a good transaction. This is really bugging me. Just a second here. This is really bothering me. So I decided to watch a few of these again, and I think this is going to be a good, I hope, I'm crossing my fingers, this is a good decision. I really enjoy the item I have, so buying this other one I think is a good idea. But anyway, let's get into the package and why, and I will be right back. So here is the box, and it's kind of an odd shape, isn't it, for a purchase? But when you see the item, you'll see why it's in this long, unusual shaped box. But put that down. So came in a dust bag. Seems to be promising so far, at least to that. To put you on a stand. By the way I'm doing this, you can probably guess what they are. They, plural. There we go. They are another pair of Fendi Flow sneakers. And maybe I'll insert the picture of the ones I got last year. I got a black pair with the Zucca print on them. Just doing the first. This looks pretty good. These look pretty good. They look really worn, like a lot of use here, but they look really good considering. That's not bad. Not bad at all. And the insides look like they were barely used. I was excited about something. I mean, they've been worn, obviously. They're dirty, but that's not too bad. And I never thought I would wear pink. Pink is not my typical first choice for tennis shoes. Anyway, my reasoning is I bought these last year and I wore these in Chicago in the black and white version, and I really did like wearing them. The one thing that's interesting is this right here is all hard plastic, and right here, this part can poke into your skin if you're not careful, so you can't wear like low, at least I can't wear like low-rise socks. So you have to wear something that kind of covers, otherwise after wearing them for walking for 10,000, 20,000 steps, this will definitely have a blister on you. But I found them incredibly comfortable. They have a really good arch support. So I really like them. And I think I got these for 180 bucks. So I thought they were a pretty good deal. The zipper, check this out. Oh, no, that is just functional. Just had it undone for whatever reason. They are elastic laces, so you don't tie them. You come in the side. But I really like the Fendi flows. So when I find them at a bargain and barely used, I try to pick them up. I mean, the regular price on them is exorbitant, and I'm not saying they're not worth it, but if you can get them at that barely used, I don't have a problem with it. So this is my, I guess, unnecessary spending, but it was quite frankly a deal. Pulled out my black ones. So these are the ones I wore all over Chicago, and I really liked them. They were, like I said, really comfortable and pretty good price even when I bought those. So now I have two pairs, a summery and ones I can wear all the time. I mean, I definitely dress more this tone of things, but these were definitely more used than these pink ones are. Like this part is really worn off on these, but really comfy. And the plastic, like I said, is more prominent. That is very, very tough. So just FYI, if you ever pick these up, if you have a wider foot or fatter foot like I do, these can be uncomfortable if you're not careful. Hey, Steph.
Yes, darling?
What time is it?
Why don't you ask her? I think she knows. Advent calendar time?
I mean, is it?
How about you? Are you learning?
She's like, I ate my dinner, I'm good.
Is she
And
learning
he's hiding over there.
Is she learning what happens here?
Yes. All right, let's do this.
Okay. Brief report. The orange spice was a green tea. It was like mostly cinnamon and other spices. You smelled it.
Green tea?
Yeah.
That was a black tea.
It was a green tea.
Interesting.
It says so on the package. You smelled it. It smells like it tastes, or it tastes like it smells. Okay, so looking for number 3. There's number 3. Okay. I'm wondering what's in these bigger boxes. So far I've gotten little tins like this, and this says it is Headache Halo.
Okay.
So the ingredients will be listed on the back somewhere. But we'll move along. I'll report on the Headache Halo tomorrow. There's number 3 for your C's candy. This is just the coolest little box there. There's a couple of little sticks.
I think those are orange sticks, if I remember correctly.
All right. All right, moving along.
There's the Santa pickle.
The Santa pickle. Oh yes. 3 here. This is the beauty products one, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it popped out of its box somehow. That's kind of funny. It was supposed to be sitting like that. It's supposed to be like that. Don't know how it came out. It's a Giorgio Armani Eye Tint Silk Liquid Satin eye color.
Interesting.
All right. Okay, number 4.
Three.
There. 3. Yes, 3. Okay. Oh, it's a large one. What do we got? A gingerbread man.
It's a man.
It's a toy.
What's that, Mama?
See this?
Oh my God, a toy.
We'll park him for a moment while we get the.
It's a toy.
We'll get the yummies
You
out
all are
first.
gonna fight over that toy.
Let's get the yummy stuff out first, and then
Is it
we
time
can
for
let
the
you have the
treats?
toy. Whoop! Oh dear. That doesn't usually happen.
Oh, aggressive with that.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, smaller stuff this time. Okay. Blep.
They're almost like Dolly. You like to move like that tail a whole lot.
Yeah. And you, Boo Bear. Boo Bear. Can you catch? Ah, nice try, buddy. Did you get it?
He has no depth perception. He
Boo.
can just.
Good catch, buddy.
Good job.
Okay. So that's those. Okay,
And they
now
have their toy.
here's the toy.
Squeak it.
Get it, Pickle?
This is like, go
That's your toy, too.
play.
That's for the two of you to play with. All right, and now my candy. What's in my candy? 1, 2,
You can
3.
tug with it, Mama.
Oh, it's I think it's a caramel Lannister.
It
Yeah.
is.
Milk chocolate caramel Lannister. All right. Yep.
Enjoy that.
All right, and that's the calendars. I don't think I missed any, right?
Can you grab a cookie out since Pickles didn't get? Grab one of those. Split that half for her and half for Boo Bear.
Okay.
Oh, are you dropping that? You don't like the cookies.
Come on, sweetie. Come on.
You know what one? It's for your favorite, Mama.
Take it. Take it. There you
There
go. Boo. Catch. Good catch, buddy.
Oh. Went right in there.
Gotta toss it pretty much right at his face, and it's pretty easy for him to catch it then.
I know, those are your favorite.
Like that,
Mamas.
goodie?
All
There
right.
you go.
You got a toy, Poppy. You've had lots. All right, that's his wrap on day 3. We will see you tomorrow, and try to think of what tomorrow is. You'll see our Christmas tree decorating tomorrow because I have to go in the office tomorrow, and that's a long day, early start for me, and long day. So you'll have some pre-recorded segments to see. But anyway, we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
You're gonna kill that, aren't you?
Counting down. So in this Christmas time